Today we're sitting down with Ironshaw 365 MD Mark Harrington to discuss the uprise in cannabis farms in rental properties across the UK. Hi Mark, first of all, could you explain what malicious damage is for those unfamiliar with insurance jargon?
Sure. Malicious damage is where a tenant deliberately damages your property or an individual. Doors, locks or windows. It's different from accidental damage. This is a completely different subject and will be covered in our next video.
So some landlord insurance policies exclude cover for malicious damage.
What you will find is a lot of comparison sites don't include malicious damage. It's a high cost to the insurance companies. So it's very important as a landlord that you make sure your policy includes it and it's fully covered.
Why is malicious damage such a big deal?
For insurance companies, it can go into tens of thousands of pounds. A lot of insurance companies now got specialist departments that relate to cannabis factories and cannabis claims. It's therefore important as a landlord that you make sure you are covered.
You mentioned cannabis farms. Can you elaborate on the danger of these?
Over the last decade, insurance companies have had a large amount of claims of cannabis factories. Tenants have reverted to using their properties for cannabis farms to supplement their income. A lot of insurance companies have now got specialist departments, and it's important from the landlord's point of view that you don't get involved in this scenario. For instance, in Birmingham, at one point there was up to 50 tenants a month using their properties for cannabis factories.
Okay, so how can landlords prevent this from happening?
Landlords need to make sure that when they vet the tenants, they have an employer's reference and any other credit checks from their letting agent. Alternatively, they should check their own policy. It's important that you make annual inspections, even quarterly or 6-monthly inspections, and record these. This will enable you to make sure that a cannabis factory will not be installed at the property by a tenant. It is the landlord's responsibility to make sure this is done.
Okay Mark, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.